You learn a few things spending your life in music, media, operations management, and sales. The first is that most of what you're sold is a story. It's like Maynard says in the Tool classic Hooker with a "All you know about me is what I've sold you. Tumph." I sold out long before you ever even heard my name. I sold my soul to make a record, dipshit. And you bought one. The stories we tell ourselves about the single malt scotch we buy being handcrafted, the vintage guitar we buy having special mojo, about preferring vinyl or tape because it adds warmth. It's all just smoke and side view mirror. The world is full of fakes, posers, things that promise one thing and deliver another, which brings us to this 2017 Infiniti Q60 Red Sport. This car exists just to crash the party. For decades, if you wanted a fast, serious two-door coupe that said, "I've made it and I'm still in a hurry," you either went to the Germans, BMW, Mercedes, Audi, or you bought an American muscle car, Camaro, Mustang. Although the hot hatch did have a brief moment in the sun around the turn of the millennium amongst the crowd we no longer call yuppies. But the Germans have been brilliant at marketing, and they are competent at what they do. But they're a bit boring. And this Q60, you have to admit, it's pretty. Inside and out, it is beautiful. The interior is a little bit like Vegas. A sea of cheap leather and enough lights to crash land outside of Area 51. It's got two screens in the center stack, which is a choice. It already feels dated, like a vision of the future from the turn of the millennium. But whatever, we're not here for the infotainment. It's comfortable enough, and boy, is it fast. 400 horsepower twin turbocharged V6. The VR30, the younger art school brother of the engine in the GTR. The very beating heart and soul. Less than 5 seconds to 60, 100 miles an hour in 10 seconds. Quarter mile in 13 seconds at 110 miles an hour. But it does have something called direct adaptive steering. Steer by wire. Audi, BMW, Chevy, Ford, Honda, Mercedes-AMG all use electric power steering. This is not steer by wire. This means there is still a mechanical linkage between your steering wheel and the car, like an actual car might have. Instead, you drive this like an airplane. It's a little bit like a video game. You turn the wheel and a signal is sent, and eventually the computer turns the wheels for you. It's a little bit like if the steering wheel was a PlayStation controller. There's no feel, there's no feedback. There's not meant to be. This isn't meant to be a sports car. The Q60 isn't trying to be a track day monster. It's not pretending to be a raw, unfiltered, race-bred machine. It's for people who like to drive cross-country at irresponsible speeds in absolute comfort. It's a car that gives you a 400 horsepower rush when you want it, and then gets out of its own way when you don't. A car for a grown-up, for someone who wants the speed, the style, but doesn't want to get beat up by the suspension or the twitchy steering just to get it. As I sit here in this quiet, comfortable, beautifully shaped missile, feeling that 400 horsepower beating hard under the hood, the traffic I wasn't fighting when I was driving it around, I get it. I respect it. And I think this one deserves a forever home. This has been the Used Car Review. Like, subscribe, and reach out to me if you need help buying a car. Hey, did you see my text message?
Yeah.
So this thing's still flashing the key system error. I don't know if that's just something you got to reset in the computer.
I don't know. I texted him. I got to send him the VIN number off of it, but I'm going to look this up real quick.
Well, the second thing, I don't know if you've noticed you're driving it around the other day, but I noticed it just here in the lot. This shifter is doing some weird shit. Like for instance, the reverse camera is still on. Right now it's in park. But now it's in reverse. Okay, now it's in neutral. Now it's in drive. It says it's in neutral. Says it's in reverse.
Okay, I just have to adjust the thing down there. I got it.
Yeah, I was just telling you.
No, I know what it is. Yeah, you're probably not even going to get it in park because it's still in reverse right now.
It's actually in park, I think.
Take your foot off. Okay. All right. Yeah, I'll have to bring that inside because that's the shifter that's in there. I need to tighten that up.
Let me
tighten that bitch up.
It's still drivable the way it is, so I'm gonna finish shooting this.
All right. Well, here, let me hook this up and see what that is because
right.
I got to send the VIN number. And I wouldn't drive it anywhere, man, because that shifter can come out anytime and kick it out of gear.
Okay, fair enough.
Yeah. So, because it's held in with a little screw that is fucking not screwed down.
Okay. I'll wait then and finish it later.